Yo, so do you want to know how you can add media to DaVinci? Well, if so, stick around because I'm going to show you that in this quick little video. Growing your own business is no easy feat. I'm here to help alleviate some of the headaches. Namaste, my loves. Monique Christine here, founder of MoniqueChristine.com, Starshine Consulting, and your favorite digital marketing and business building coach. Listen, DaVinci. We're editing all of our content, our videos. How does it work? How do you add media? Let's do something nice and simple. Yes? Yes. So, without further ado, let's get into this. I am going to share my screen with ya right over here. Cool. So as you see, you have over here, as you see, we've got a blank screen over in DaVinci. So when you open up DaVinci and you start a new project, untitled project, or if you choose to click new project and then title it, you are going to come to this screen. So once we are here, excuse me, you're going to come down to this tab at the bottom that says media. You're going to click that, and over here on the left you will have like the native files to your computer. Okay, so let's see, I've got my, what is this? This is an external hard drive right here. We've got my internal hard drive here and movies. I don't know, a different folder. So figure out where you have your media. I'm gonna head to my downloads folder. So let's say that you created something, let's say you created something on Canva, or let's say that you filmed a video in OBS or on your phone or whatever, and you send it to your computer. It ends up in your downloads folder. So we're going to open up the downloads folder. We're going to click on it. If you do the little drop down menu over here, this drop down arrow, you are not going to see your pictures and your videos listed. Sorry this is taking so long. But so that's why you're going to click it, and then it's going to bring up the entire downloads folder. Okay. And now, we have the various things. So let's say I wanted to add, let's see if I have a short video here. Okay, I have this little meditation video here. So let's go ahead and add that. Now, depending on what settings you initially have it on, let me see if I can lower this a little bit. Depending on the settings, the project settings that you have, when you import or bring in your media, especially a video, it may ask you if you want to change the frame rate. So what I always do is when I am dealing with a video, I pull in the most important video first and I allow it to change my frame rate. Okay, so we're going to set the project to the frame rate of this particular video. Okay, and then let's say I want to do some pictures too. So got a couple pictures here. What am I doing? Yeah, sorry. So you're just gonna drag it from your downloads folder into this area down here. Okay, all of your media files. Let's say I wanted to add this too. So let's say I wanted to add this too. Okay, so we have now added our media. You'll come over to the Cut tab, and then you will pull your media down into the timeline. All right, and so now I have this video here. But let's say I wanted to like add an intro or something. So you simply drag it and you just put it wherever you want it, okay? As you can see, we have the various things all lined up. And then if you want to add something after the video, then I'm just going to click up here on this timeline. Helps me get there a little faster. And what did I already put? I think I already put me, so let's put this little kid. If it's a photo, you can extend your photo. You can make it as long as you want to. Okay? And you do that by hovering over until you see this little like kind of door with an arrow, and you'll just drag to however long you want it to be. All right, but super simple. If you want to pull in media, again, click down at the bottom, the media tab, and then you're going to navigate to wherever on your computer your media is. Pull it into this media library, and then come over to the cut tab to pull your individual media files, projects, whatever, to pull them into your timeline. Okay, that is how you add media in DaVinci. So with that being said, I will see you in the next one. I hope that you liked this video. If you found it useful, by all means, throw some thumbs on it. Make sure that you subscribe and ring that bell so you get notifications every single time I upload something new. Namaste.